Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I go by the name Call Me Moses. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe. And for the returning subscribers, please, I want to say thank you so much for always being there to support me. So today we are out with some of the YouTubers, sister-in-law, that is Mercy. Life story with Mercy. Yeah, currently we are at our home village. We will be going for something more of ceremonial, more of pre-wedding. Here in Kalenjin they say it Koito. So we have Lincoln around. Lincoln, say hi.
Hello.
Yeah. So this is cousin to Mercy, my sister-in-law. So today I'll be showing you guys on how we pre-wedding, local pre-wedding is being carried out. So guys, stay tuned. After arriving at Mercy's homestead, we decided to get in and have a little bit of some breakfast, since we left Kisumu very early in the morning and decided to take at least something. So hi,
welcome back to Call Me Moses. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. So we are just from taking breakfast and now I'm full. I was really hungry.
Hey.
And then you know, here they have like healthy cows, so they produce very good quality. Their milk is very
sweet.
Yeah, very sweet and of good quality thick, yeah. And very thick.
Oh, so here is Mercy's mom. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hey.
So this is Mercy's mom, my sister-in-law. That's the mom. So guys, we are off now. We want to be on our way. We've just finished taking the breakfast. Now we are leaving, and we hope the journey is going to be merciful for us. And the weather is a little bit dull, and obviously we expect a lot of heavy rains later within the day, and just hoping for the best. So guys, come along. Guys, this is where our journey ends currently, but we've not reached yet at the destination. It is just due to this bad road. The weather is really devastating and we can't manage. So the only option we were left is to carry the cakes that are supposed to be used at the venue. So we'll be carrying them to the venue, and I'll be leaving the car here until the time that will be event will be finished. So my biggest worry is if the rains today, that means
If the rain falls.
if the rain falls today, if the rain fails, it falls. If it rains today, we're going to be, I think we'll end up sleeping here. We still don't know. We can't anticipate for anything, but we're just hoping for the best. So this is what we experience in the rural areas. So guys, when currently we're just leaving the car, then we'll be headed to the main event, which is almost approximately we've been told just averagely like 600 meters away from where we've just left the vehicle, and we'll be back later in the evening. Hey guys, so we are here. This is my sister-in-law's compound, but she was never raised actually here. We arrived like earlier on, like almost 20 minutes ago, and so the event has not yet started. There's still negotiation going on. Normally it's a long process that takes place. Now that we are still new, we still don't know the procedure and how things do take place here, but we hope like today I'll get to learn the customs and everything related to koito. Koito means it's more of a pre-wedding, and basically in Kenya, and to be specific in the Nandi region. So guys, come along. I think I'll be showing you how the event will be, and so guys, stay tuned. This is the situation at hand as I'm speaking right now. There's a negotiation ongoing currently. We've got the bride and the groom side trying to negotiate on whether the bride will be going with the groom. So guys, before the event, after the negotiation, that's the time the ceremony will start. If they don't agree to the negotiation, there will be no ceremony until they come to an agreement. So after that, people will be headed on the other side where we've got the tent, the reception. That is the other side that we have the reception, and once they're done inside, we'll just be headed over there, and the celebration will continue. And so guys, if you wish to continue watching the video for what is stored for you guys. The dowry agreement has come to pass. They have come to an agreement, and now the lady is gone. She has been taken by the bride. So currently, as you can see, we are heading to the ceremony. The event has turned out to be marvelous, and so far we just got turned down by the current situation with the weather, because it has actually rained during the time when the event was taking place, and currently as I'm shooting this video it's raining also. it has really affected the event, but yeah, at some given point. But as people normally say, the rain is a blessing to us. So it has been very nice, and I really appreciate for that moment and for that time. Until next time, so guys, keep on watching my video and make sure to subscribe. And if there's anything you need to add, you can go to my comment section and please comment for what you love to know or what you love to understand about the culture and about the event. So guys, I think I'll be winding up my video at this given point, and I'll be winding up my video at this given point. So maybe you can say hi. Mercy, hi.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog from Call Me Moses.
Yeah. So that is my sister-in-law, my life story with Mercy. If I go to the YouTube channel, she goes by the name My Life Story with Mercy.
Life story.
Yeah. So guys, I think I'll end this video at this point. So thanks for your support and thanks for everything. Peace out.